What's up, everybody? We're back. We're here in the laboratory and just messing around. I just want to share with you guys, I just recently bottled up my first little micro batch. Have been messing around here and actually got some little labels done on this batch of mezcal. And I wanted to share the little process of what that was like. So keep watching. Right, the very first micro batch edition here of Mezcal Buzz, a very special batch I'm excited about because I had my hands in the process of this mezcal. This was during level 4 of the Agave Spirits Institute certification. I spent 9 days with the rest of the alumni in Oaxaca, and we actually made our way out to La Mixteca, to the palenque of Teoza, and they're a very cool collective of about 13 mezcaleros. We actually helped out in the roasting process of this mezcal. And this was Agave Espadín Verde, which is an endemic espadín to the area, and it's a wild espadín, so it's much different than the regular espadín that you find in other mezcales. And as a matter of fact, check it out. Here's a few clips of that time we spent roasting the agave. All right, and just so you get an idea of where La Mixteca is, you can see here we have Tlacolula, which the center of Oaxaca is about here. So we have about an hour drive to Tlacolula, even Minas, which is in this area. It's a much smaller area, which some really good mezcal minero comes out of there. But yeah, it's really close. So you're gonna get a lot of mezcales from there and people bringing you mezcales from these areas. We went to La Mixteca, so we took a nice drive all the way up and then back in here to Teozacoalco. So I ended up getting about just over 4 liters of this mezcal, and I went ahead and grabbed some bottles and decided to bottle it up. I have 250 milliliter bottles that you can get online. You could get them at different glass stores. It's a pretty common bottle. It comes with a seal. And I decided to give it a go at making some labels. That way I can share this special mezcal. So I have some experience in graphic design, so I opened up my computer. I used Adobe Illustrator, started messing around with a couple label designs until I found one that I'm comfortable with. And I just went to my local Office Max to print a couple samples. And so I went ahead and just got a standard sticker paper that they have there, which you can see here. And I have my crop marks in there. That way I could cut it out nice and clean. And I'm gonna go ahead and finish cutting these out and putting them on the bottle. And so there you go. There's an easy way you can actually bottle your own mezcal and create some labels and have a pretty cool little bottle to share. Leave your comments in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I look forward for the formal tasting of the first Mezcal Buzz Micro Batch. Peace.